Yoo-hoo! What's up guys? Everything's okay today? Hope you all in a great shape and doing great. So for today's video I want to combine between a food truck and Indonesia's traditional restaurant called Warteg. FYI, even the Avengers love to having a dinner in Warteg. So without a further ado, let's get started. First let's remove this SNI sticker. Every Hot Wheels that was supposed to be sold in Indonesia have this stickers on the back. Sometimes they put it right behind the glue that holds the bubble. It's giving a hard time for the acetone to penetrate through the card. Continue on releasing the diecast without damaging the bubble and keep it clean from any leftover paper, so you can use it later and you don't have to clean the leftover. There, it's open. I noticed there's a person standing inside the food truck. It might have the chef, so I have this idea to use a mini figurine to replace the chef with something better. After a quick searching it online, I found this very funny mini figurine of Fat Batman and Fat Superman. Well, it's too expensive, so I skipped the idea, and converted into a storytelling, haha. They do have tons of great minifigure, it's just I'm the one that don't have the money. Let's all pray and hope they would endorse me somehow. Amen. Since this one have a plastic body, let's remove the livery with an eucalyptus oil. Unrivet with a 4mm drill bit. Go very slowly for every plastic body, it's easy to overdrill. Even after I'm going slowly, I almost drill it through the roof. Measurement time. What a fun segment. Then I sand the body with the finest steel wool, so the paint would stick easily. I need to patch the hole on the back with a putty. I want this truck to have 3 colors, white, yellow, and purple, so let's mask the bottom part and paint the rest with white. As for the purple, I'll achieve them from decal. Let's paint it white. And while I'm outside, I also give this opportunity given by God to do a clear coat for the decal I'm going to use. Damn, the font I'm using is too small, so here's the close-up for the design. Cut them and try to remove all the white space.
Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you know.
Let's remove the masking tape slowly. The part I'm most traumatic, water slide decal. It's fun when designing it, but it's scary when applying it. Up until now, I'm still having a problem with placing it. That rhymed. Maybe I should be a rapper instead, or poet. What do you guys think?
See
Oh wow, this is my first time swapping tires on a metal base. Yay, a new experience. I try to pry it with a tiny flathead screwdriver. On a second thought, this is harder than the plastic base. Since it's harder to restore the axle hook back to the way it is, I try to glue them with an UHU glue. Turns out the glue isn't strong enough to hold the metal base. So I have to be more creative with the tools I have around me. I hold the axle with a toothpick, and then glue them. It's a primitive way, I know, but it's all I can think of at the moment in 3 o'clock in the morning. So let's wrap this up and assemble them back together. I still have to design a custom card for this one. But hey, here's the spinning shot for all of us to enjoy.
Next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never showed. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Finally, the last part of this video.
Tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and share it with strangers near you. I'm going to bed now, don't miss me. And don't forget to look both way before crossing. Bye bye.